Hey guys, Galaxy Quest back with another video, and today we are going to be drawing a Pikachu with colored pencil. So first, you want to draw his head. So first we can draw the top of it, which goes like this, up like this, and then we'll go down here. And over there is where his cheek is going to be. And we'll stop just about there. And then we can go down like this. And we'll go down for his cheek, which will be over here, and then we come off. And then we'll draw his ears. One up. And then one going off like this. And we'll draw two lines. And then we'll go out like this for this. And then we'll go over in and finish the oval up. Go like this for his thumb. Create a bunch of little spikes for his fingers. And then we'll go down to finish up his body. We'll go down to here, and then we'll go up again just a little bit. Straight across, and then down again. Then we'll finish up with going back to up here. And then just about right, say right here, we draw this going out this way. And we'll finish up his cheeks right here so we can figure out where we're drawing this arm. So we'll draw his arm. And then we draw it into like the middle of his cheek. And then we draw his thumb, and then just a bunch of little spikes for his fingers. And then we'll draw his little feet right here. And then his other one right about here. We'll draw 1, 2, 3. Might not be able to see the third line, but 1, 2, 3, but that's okay. And then we'll draw his first eye here, his second eye here, and then we'll draw two little lines to make his eyes. And then we'll draw his mouth, which goes like this. And then we'll go down with his mouth and back up. And then we'll go up like this. And draw a little bit like this. And then we'll color in this part right here with black. And then we'll color in his ears up here. Like this. So then, as we finish that, color in his cheeks. And then, oh, I forgot to draw his nose right here, which is down like this. Just like a little circle. Now, we'll draw his tongue. We'll draw some pink right here. But then lightly color it over with some red. Lightly color over that red with some pink. And then lightly color all that over with some black to darken it. Okay. Now, we'll draw his tail, which goes line here, up, another line, and then up into his hand. And then we'll go over like this, and then we'll go down. We'll go straight across, and we'll go down. And we'll finish it up like this. 1, 2, 3. Draw a couple spikes here for that part of his tail. Okay. Now what we want to do, we want to grab our brown and color in this part of his tail. And finish up his tail like that with the brown. And now, since we got all those colors out of the way, we're gonna start coloring in with yellow. So we're not gonna color in this part on the right of his sticking up his ear. And we're not gonna color this part at all on that part of his ear. I'll show you later why. Because that's gonna be his shadow part. So we're gonna mix that later with some brown to make the shadows. Okay, so now that we got his ears done, we'll draw his feet, which his shadows will be up here, so we'll only have to draw down here and down right here. Okay, so now we'll draw in his fingers or his arms. We're gonna leave this part blank right down there, and we're just gonna color in the top. And then we'll go out like that, go in to where his tail is, and then color in his arm. Like so. Doof. finish up his fingers. Over here too. And then, oh yeah, I forgot that we need to color in his eyes right here black. So we'll finish up that so Pikachu isn't staring into your soul with white eyes. Finish up right here lightly. And there's Pikachu's eyes are done. And then for his tail, we'll go down like this. Then up like through that tail. And then back down near the corner. And so we're gonna color in, we're just gonna color in this part right here and the top of this. So then we're gonna come over like this and up like this and back down to the shadow of his foot. Okay, so that's where his shadow is also gonna be. Like a little bit, and like right below his mouth, we're gonna draw like a little triangle. Now that we got his shadows, where those are gonna be colored in, and start coloring in the Pikachu. You guys can skip over to when I'm done coloring if you want. But if you want to stay and watch this part, you can. So you color around his eyes. You finish up his head. Color around his nose so we don't get any black on this yellow. Finish up his head, and his head is all done. So then we'll finish up coloring his body. Don't color any of the shadows. Okay, now that we're done with that, we're gonna want to lightly brown all where we said we're gonna put those shadows in. Only lightly do it though. Don't like very color I'm in. Not like how that would be. But you want to color in the entire spot lightly. And then we'll lightly color down here. And then go up with his ears up here. We'll finish up with the brown right now. Okay, now that we got that brown done, we're gonna add in just a bit of yellow all around. Light yellow. You don't have to do the yellow if you don't want to, but I'm gonna do it because that gives off more of a shadowy look. And yeah, you can add a bit of background if you want anywhere to the Pikachu. But yeah, that's how you draw a Pikachu. Well, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content. Bye.